Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error code. There are problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you are keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help followed by error guys. Code 0x8007042c. The dependency of service or group failed to start. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On right side you need to search for troubleshoot guys. Click on it and here select other troubleshooters, and now click on Windows Update Troubleshoot. Run it. Hopefully you have resolved the problem guys. Click yes. Do you want to fix the waiver problem? Check for Windows Update issues or found it. Click on Windows Update left corner, and if you have any updates over here you need to download and install it guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve it. You need to have this tick mark and you are up to date. You need to show about this and close out of here and try this as well guys. Search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Verification need to get 100% complete guys. This 1% need to get 100%. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your computer, and you go ahead and check for updates. Hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys.